Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn about feature control in our RAP application. So first of all, what is feature control? As a developer, many times we get a requirement to make some fields read only, or we need to make the fields mandatory, creatable or updatable. So for all that functionality, we have this feature control option in our RF. Okay, so we have two types of feature control categories. First is static feature control. Second is dynamic feature control. The static one we can handle in the behavior definition itself. But for the dynamic one, we have to do the code changes in our behavior implementation class. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's get started. First of all, we need to open our behavior definition, which is this one, ZHA travel. And here, as you can see, we have this read only statement. Okay, I need to log on. So as you can see, we have this code here for our travel ID. So we will comment this out, make the travel read only. Why? Because in the last video we have added the code to auto generate the travel ID. So now we don't want user to enter this in our application. So we will make it as read only so that user don't enter some incorrect values. This is for our travel entity. Let's do same for the booking entity as well. So here, as you can see, travel ID is already read only. So let's enter the booking ID as well here. Booking ID. You also have other functionalities here. For example, for this travel ID, we can also make this editable only for the create mode. So that also we can do like this. So in that case, it will be read only for the create option. But for the update mode, user can enter the travel ID in the Fiori application. So this we will not do for our application. We can also make this field mandatory like that. Okay. This way we can add multiple static feature control to our application. But yeah, for our case we just want it read only, so let's just remove that. Okay, save and activate. Okay, let's just open our application and see if it is read only or not. Click on create, and as you can see, travel ID option is now not available. Okay, so earlier user was able to enter travel ID here, but now it's disabled because we made it read only. Okay, so we made it read only here. Let's check for booking ID as well. I do like that. So as you can see, if I try to edit the booking ID, it is disabled because we made it read only. We made this as a read only. So yeah, that's it for this video. We will continue in our next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel.